Well, hey there. Welcome to my Echo review. Hi, my name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we're going to be talking about the newly released software called Echo. To start off with, we're going to go ahead and tell you what it's all about and everything. Now, at the time that I started recording this, the demo version was not available yet, so I actually am not in the members area of the software. But on my bonus page, there is a demo video that had previously been created that takes you through step by step on how to set things up. All right, so basically right now I'm on my bonus page where I do have some bonuses to give you if you decide that you'd like to purchase Echo through my link today. So to start off with, Echo, it's basically click 4 times equals activate your automated mega store that makes $265 a day passively, and so if at any time you are ready to go ahead and get Echo, you can just go ahead and click on any of the red banners on my bonus page here to take you over to the sales page where you can go through your checkout. And to get to my bonus page, if you're on YouTube, underneath this video, you should see a link that says, one of the first lines in the description says, click here to get your bonuses in Echo or something like that, and it will take you to the bonus page where we are right now. All right, and so let's talk about what this is all about. Okay, so you can legally siphon off most viral YouTube videos and grab the whole traffic pool to your own affiliate links. Imagine gathering the top converting videos and putting them into one place without you creating any videos yourself. And let the already proven videos get you instant traffic that's fail-proof over and over again. So set it up once and it echoes, forever. So traffic echoes on after one setup, no content creation needed, earn passive affiliate commissions from videos made by others, and take advantage of viral traffic from proven videos. So we're going to go over the pricing, but before I do that, let me show you what my bonuses are for you today. If you go ahead and pick up Echo. All right, so I have 4 bonuses for you here. Bonus number 1 is called Cleopatra. Breakthrough app finds and monetizes free traffic from untapped sources of 500 million buyers. Bonus number 2 is YT Velocity. Unlock and set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in 15 minutes. Complements what you're getting here with Echo. Bonus number 3 is Accelerate. Accelerate system generated $1,000 days without spending a dime. So another free traffic source for making money. Bonus number 4 is TweetX. And this new app makes $476 a day. And all it took was just 1 to 2 minutes to set it up and activate it. And bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses that are being offered by the creators of Echo. All those are available to you too. All right, so let's go talk about. Let me give you a kind of a run through of Echo without actually having the product right here myself. So basically, I believe up here it said 4 clicks. Obviously it's going to be a little bit more than 4 clicks to get everything all set up. But basically, you're going to create your campaign, and with the front end version, you get, I believe, 5 built-in campaigns, the 5 highest converting or most popular campaigns that are available, which is good. And so you're going to select your niche. The top 5 are preloaded for you. And you're going to load up to 4 offers. So your offers that you want to offer from siphoning this traffic, whether it's from Warrior Plus or ClickBank, you can add up to 4 offers, for that video that you're doing. And so you're going to name the campaign. You're going to go and you're going to select your video from YouTube that's already viral, basically has tons of traffic already, so it's successful. And that's what you want, because people are looking at that or those videos, and so that's where you want to go to, to get that traffic for yourself. So you want to watch these highly watched and highly converting videos. And in addition, as an affiliate marketer, you can also go and choose review videos, okay, and get traffic from those also. So, you're going to select your offers, like I said, from ClickBank or whatever. There's a lot of editing you can do with colors and font colors and banners and stuff like that. And then you're going to select your social shares. Then the option to select, you're going to have the option to select an opt-in box, as well as autoresponder integration. And, to help that flow or capture those leads that come through and look, you want to do that. And then you can embed these videos that you've just created with your offers, attached to them, to your website, to blogs. You can link them to your email list, a lot of ways to go ahead and get people interested in that. And in addition, there are over 60 social platforms that are provided that you can just log into and send your offers to. All right, doesn't get any simpler than that. Okay, so what's this going to cost you today? So here are the prices. Start off with Echo itself, $17, but I believe when you go to the sales page, it does give you a pop-up to take $4 off, so you can get it for $13. And so you get everything that we talked about here. And then there are 5 one-time offers. I'll start off with unlimited campaign. So it frees you up from the limits of the front-end version here of 5. And so you can make as many as you want. OTO number 2, done for you campaigns. If you want to have it all set up for you, that's available. OTO number 3, high ticket maximizer. And this upgrade equips you with the how-tos to get high ticket commissions. Simply plug and play and pre-selected high ticket items to make $1,000 commissions per sale. OTO number 4, traffic booster. Upgrade allows you to ride on our traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from the internet. OTO number 5, reseller license. So you can for $97 or $97. By the way, each one of these has 2 prices. One is the offered price, and then the second one is the downsell price. All right, and so for $97, you get the license right to sell Echo as your own, and you keep 100% of the commissions. And that's commissions not only on the front end, but on all of these one-time offers also. So not a bad deal if you have a pretty good list and following. For less than $100, to get 100% commissions on all the sales that you're going to get. OTO number 6, passive income masterclass, and OTO number 7, multiple streams of income masterclass, each for $47 or $27 on the downsell. So one thing to remember, or not one thing, but the important things about Echo: free built-in traffic. You can send thousands of free buyers to your site at the press of a button. Completely automated sites, set them up once and forget all about them. Free hosting is included, so all those pages are hosted for you. Your site will be loaded with hot, done-for-you products. No extra fees. Echo gives you everything that you need. 100% never seen before technology, and perfect for total newbies who want to head on that path to financial freedom. Now, that is pretty much it. Here is the demo video that's available. So on my bonus page, you can come to this demo video, click on it, and it'll actually take you through the run through of step 1 all the way to the end. A good video. I've gone through it twice, 3 times to take a look at what it does. All right, and so, you know, and then we went through all of my bonuses and everything. So that wraps it up, guys. And so once you click on any of my banners here, it's going to take you over to the actual sales page, which looks like this, and has a lot of information. The important thing, click on this Get Instant Access. It'll take you to the your secure checkout, which is going to be on the Warrior Plus platform. Once you've completed that, you'll have a page that looks like this. And you'll have 2 buttons that are important. One is the green button or banner, and you will click on that to get your Echo software. And there's a blue button that will get you all of my bonuses. And by the way, my bonuses are very recent, very current bonuses. Every single one of them is still currently being sold on Warrior Plus. So instead of having to purchase them, you're getting them for free from me today. All right, so that is it. Once again, thank you for joining me on my Echo review, and I hope it was enjoyable for you and informative. One thing, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, click the thumbs up, hit the bell, and we are good. Well, that's it. Thank you once again for joining me today on this Echo review, and to your success.